We've heard from Richard, and we've heard from Mr. van der Wilk, we've heard from Radmar, all the benefits and all the opportunities that the Green Aruba, where Europe meets the Americas conference, has for you in store. So it's a pleasure for me to share with you the details of the logistics of this conference. First of all, I would like to go over the outline of the conference, the program. So we're kicking off the conference with, on Wednesday, 22nd of October, with the Sustainable Technology and Sustainable Energy tracks. At the end of the day, we're going to close the nice first day with a cocktail party at the Wilhelmina Park. The second day in the morning, we have the business-to-business sessions scheduled, and we will have the opening of the trade show. And in the afternoon, we have the Sustainable Infrastructure track. Friday, October 24th, again in the morning, the business-to-business sessions. And we also have the trade show still going on, and the Sustainable Tourism track in the afternoon. Saturday, October 25th, we have the trade show open to the public, and we have Mr. André Kuipers, the famous astronaut, sharing a nice presentation with the students of Aruba. Very proud to announce our keynotes during this conference. We have Mr. Francisco Palmieri, he's with the US Department of State. We have Mr. Jan-Peter Balkenende, former Prime Minister of the Netherlands and senior partner at Ernst & Young. And we have Mr. Fabien Cousteau, the famous Jacques Cousteau. I'm sure everybody knows Jacques Cousteau, this is his grandson. And he's also delivering a keynote during the conference. But what you want to know is how many companies are coming to this conference. Before I came to this presentation, I double-checked the numbers. And let me see, I have it here. So the last update is that we have 87 companies from over 23 countries registered for the conference. Countries are the Netherlands, Colombia, USA, Canada, Spain, Brazil, and we also have, of course, the islands in the region participating, and we have confirmation of participation of companies from the overseas countries and territories, the OCTA group. So we're very proud to announce that this evening. So how are you going to create the business-to-business meeting? So once you've decided that this is the conference you want to attend, you want to make use of the opportunities during this conference, register on the GAEMA website. So it's www.ga-ema.com. And then you're on the website. This is the first screen you'll see. And you want to make business-to-business meetings. So you request a new meeting. Do you see the arrow? That's where you click, you request a new meeting. And this is also where you see the list of all the other companies that have registered already. And you can have a look at their profile. The next slide is an overview of the agenda, and where you can see what the availabilities are of each company to request a meeting. Once you've requested a meeting, you'll see it in your calendar, scheduled, and then there will be a notice of rejection. Maybe the person is not available on that same time, or it will be confirmed, or yeah, those are the two possibilities. This is a very interesting slide because this is my match. The website offers, of course, everybody is registered, so there are profiles, and the website offers matchmaking going on automatically. So you will get here a list of companies that match your profile, and you can choose whether to request a meeting with those companies. During this year's conference, we also have a trade show during which we offer organizations and companies to showcase their sustainable solutions in terms of products and services. If you are interested in being one of the exhibitors at our trade show, you can contact us, and we can give you all the information and details in order for you to also be present at the trade show. These are the booths that we have, 10 by 10, 13 by 10, and those are the prizes. Finally, I would like to share with you that today we have a special. So if today you decide to participate at the Green Aruba where Europe Meets the Americas conference, we will offer you a 15% discount on the regular price. The regular price is 825, and today the price will be 700 florins. Okay, so in the foyer, I'm sure you've seen a desk with two lovely ladies, and they will be very happy to assist you with the registration. If you would like to follow us on these social media channels, on these channels we will update everybody on all the news items and information about the conference. That was my part of the presentation, and we look very much forward to welcoming you at the conference. Thank you very much.